So today I'm going to show you how to recoat a wax canvas bag. So I have our wax canvas baseline bag here. The first thing you want to do is prep the surface so it can receive the wax very well. So you want to wipe your bag down if it has dirt and grime and all that kind of good stuff on it. You want to just take some Dawn dish soap and a rag and clean that surface. Make sure it's nice and dry before you apply the wax. So what I have here is otter wax. I just found this on Amazon, but come to find out it's actually a well-respected brand of wax that a lot of people use for various applications. So you're just going to take your wax bar here, and you can just rub it across, or you can do a circular pattern to try to really get it into the grain of the canvas. And you want to go over, as much as you possibly can, or you can just spot treat the areas that are wearing thin. But what this is going to do is let your bag have that nice grippy texture, but it's also just going to help with the water repellency of the bag as well. So after you apply it to the area, you're just going to take a heat gun or a blow dryer or whatever you have laying around, let it heat up, and then I found that the circular pattern of the heat gun as well helps as well. And what that's doing is just melting that wax down into the grain of the fabric, and it's just helping distribute that wax evenly. So once you do that, you can just let it dry, and you're going to have a nice re-waxed bag. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. This is super simple, but I figured it was a good, easy tip to share with you guys. And as always, you can find these wax canvas bags at flatlinefiberco.com.